Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a poll using the service Poll Everywhere. So this is my page. So all you would do is just go to polleverywhere.com, create an account, and sign in. So here I have two grouped polls that will be created. So in order to create a new one, all you do is click create. And you can see there are multiple different avenues for all of your different questions. So for this one, you can do a clickable image question and you can say something like, um, and then in order to add another question, you can just add another activity. And they also have something called a word cloud where you can ask a question and the question will be answered using the word cloud. There's also a Q&A type. There is a survey question where you could do multiple questions and put it in one survey. There is an open-ended question, and there are also competitions that you can use and give people the link to compete in your survey or quiz or what have you. So we can do multiple choice. You can click for more options. All you have to do is click add option, and you can do as many as you want. So when you're done with all your questions, you just click create. And this will allow you to share the poll with people, but you can go back to your polls if you want to group this certain poll because as you can see, there's only two questions here. So what you would do is just click on both of these boxes, click group, and then you can name your group or survey. To group one. So to add it to that, you would just click it and drag it down. And you can convert to survey. You've already got that. And in order to activate it, you are going to just click this link right here and you are able to activate and share the different links with people. So this is a response page where people can comment and respond to different polling activities. You can add a logo, you can change the colors or customize URL. But I'm pretty sure you have to download a separate link for that. So you can go back to Poll Everywhere and you are able to you can add a question here. So say you forgot to add a question that you wanted to get. So all you have to do is just click add a question. You can duplicate it and it will create two questions or two surveys with the same questions. You can share, you can edit the question. So if you are not happy with how you phrase the question, you can add and click save. In this poll, you can have the survey options where you show all of them on a separate page, on a single page, and how long the response time is and how many times they can respond to it. And then also, if you're sharing your link with people and you don't want any restrictions on who is able to complete your survey, you do want to click on the everyone. If you were wanting to restrict, you could either only send people a certain link or click this button. And then you can ask the participants to give a screen name or be completely anonymous. So this is how you use Poll Everywhere. Thank you.